them to school. Oren, Pinky, and Wenda. Ratty and Simon are here too. Let's explore. I think these guys have been hanging out with cats again. At least you two are focused on your studies. Good thing, too. That teacher seems strict. Uh-oh, I think he noticed your special guests. But don't worry, it's time for Sprunky at school. This laptop makes taking notes a breeze. Well, as long as you don't mess with the keys. They say life is like a box of chocolates. And as they also say, la vie en rose. In other words, life's better in pink. Especially when that pink is pinky. And look, your very own keyboard. Hey, it's Jevin. Haven't seen him in a while. And a whole bunch of our Sprunky friends. Uh-oh, the warm colors are making a mess. Well, we can always just spread the love. 'Cause I'm pretty sure it's surprise inspection time. Ooh, poor Blue. You got the blame. But don't get angry. Get even. Or better yet, it's time to get crafting. And cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Hey, it's a Jack-in-the-Box. And it looks like Simon. I'd say Simon in the box, but Simon is the box. And he'll hold all of your trash for you. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get gone with the wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be? Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Uh-oh, you're out of ink. It's our printer all over again. Don't worry, your Sprunky friends can help. Sky always wanted to be in a band. A cotton swab? I think we should use the clean side. Either way, cover it up with double-sided tape. Now it's time to stack our Sprunkies. It's almost like a rainbow. Sorta. Kinda. Dip it in ink and write your heart out. And you can even change colors. The best part, it's made with love. Remember, in math, it's best to use a pencil. Or at least one of those erasable pens. On second thought, maybe use a calculator. So why don't we make one ourselves? And can you tell who's a real math whiz? How about I give you a little hint? It's someone who's really into spring. That's right, it's Vineria. Don't forget her flowers. That's right, 2 plus 2 is 4. Seems so obvious now. Ooh, a Pop-It toy. Oh, careful with those nails. Seriously, we lose more Pop-It toys this way. Well then, we'll just need to make a new toy. First, we need to make a cube. It's Sky. But remember, cubes are three-dimensional. Otherwise, they'd just be a bunch of squares. Oh, so that's what Sleeping Beauty's been up to. I don't think she'll mind if we borrow some slime. We can store it in our secret Sky box. While we're at it, don't forget his ears, or his cowlick. It's kind of his trademark. Give him a squeeze and he'll share the goop. Time for the big math test. Did you bring your calculator? Of course, at this point, she'll settle for a new pencil. Well, maybe good old Lilac Lily can help. She's getting promoted to pencil sharpener. And it keeps the shavings all in one place. Just don't forget to clean it out now and then. Now ace that test, assuming you studied. It's important to look your best. What? No makeup? Next, they'll change the dress code to rags. But it's okay. I'm sure you'll draw up a solution. Like your very own paper compact. But it's looking a little flat. Add some stuffing. Now it's your very own Sprunky makeup kit. Why don't we try a little powder first? Wow! Talk about a transformation! It's always nice to see friends help each other. Except, of course, when it's quiz time. Looks like he let you off with a warning. But you still need to switch seats. Uh-oh, looks like she's got a craft idea up her sleeve. If only she put this much effort into studying. Of course, no one ever suspects Oren. Or Ratty. Or Funbot. He's a smart one. That's why he's joining our space program. Looks like he survived his maiden voyage. He's got a secret message for you, Blue. Help! She's sending out an SOS. Don't worry, Blue's got you covered. Speedy delivery, and you didn't have to tip. And when communication comes this easy, who needs phones? Okay, girls, you're gonna need all your pens. Now, what did I say about those cat videos? Pinky's got way too much energy. She really needs to make a friend. I know. Why don't we make a friend for her? It's Sky, and he's in crayon form. You still got some leftover stuffing? Well, we do want Sky to be well-rounded. Add some wax. Now he's a real crayon. Don't get jealous. Make your own pen pal. And when we say pen, we mean it. Looks like Pinky's a little cheeky. Or maybe she's just feeling hot today. Baking soda, starch, and flour together. It looks a little dry. Add some water. And some food coloring while we're at it. Sculpt into a bunch of fun shapes. Like ducks and teddy bears. Of course, they're fun to smush up. But they're even more fun to gobble up. She just loves this mini garden, but careful with those thorns. Oh no! Your ice cream! Oh, things couldn't get worse. Wait, the popsicle stick is the answer. We can use it to make a pair of tongs. And the thorn is gone. Now let's treat it. Of course, we can't forget the most important part. A fun Band-Aid to cover up the boo-boo. Just pick your favorite Sprunky character. Aw, she chose the face she loved best. Careful, that soap sure is slippery. Guess it's nap time for Papa Oren.
Oh no!
But Mama knows how to keep those hands clean. Just grab some tissues and add some soap. Stack them up like a cute little book, complete with cover.
Wow!
Now just grab a sheet and wash those hands. Don't forget the water, it's kind of important. Ah, they're nice and clean. And Papa's okay too. It's Mama Pinky's beauty box. She's even got a tiara. But she's got an eye on all those rings. Of course, why not try on the whole box? Move over, Snow White. She's the fairest now. Uh-oh, what goes in must come out. Guess you really just rent chocolate. Oh no! You dropped all of Pinky's rings! And she didn't even get them insured. This time, Oren's going to help. About time, I might add. Take pillbox buttons and make them into familiar faces. You'll have personalized costume jewelry. Sure, she can walk, but crawling's so much more fun. Of course, it's pretty dirty work. Oh no! Your PJs are a big mess! We're gonna have to clean you up. And Dad's mop pad is just what we need. Take a bunch of them and cover yourself up. Now you can have fun on the floor and help clean up while you're at it. Meanwhile, Dad gets a little break from spring cleaning. Well, Pinky's confused. Aw, she's making dust angels. Hey, it's one way to clean house. Well, somebody's got the gift of gab. But what they could use is some mouthwash. How about we start with some light brushing? Come on, don't you want healthy teeth? Hey, you can't bite if your teeth fall out. Looks like Mom and Dad need to team up. We'll make dental health fun with a little game. Just need a bag, glue, and pom-poms.
Hey.
Here, why don't you try this new game? Just pretend this brush is your magic wand. Use it to wipe away all that gunk. Soon you'll see those pearly whites. Now you know how fun it can be to clean your teeth. And so the prince and princess lived happily ever after. She's asleep. Doesn't seem like a bad idea, honestly. Not exactly a king-size bed, is it? Don't worry! Super Papa to the rescue! It's okay. There's room for both of you. But how do we prevent another fall? Aha! Add some tennis rackets for a makeshift crib. Of course, she might feel that in the morning. A lot of kids love bugs, but some eventually grow out of it.
What?
Guess Pinky's in the latter category. Oren heard screaming. Everything okay?
What?
Naughty bug. Get out of here. Here, we even packed you lunch to go. He got the message. Now,
Yes.
let's grab a piece of foil. Find something round, like a marble, and cover it up. Why don't we give it some color next? Good idea. Give it a cute ladybug pattern. Why don't we take it for a spin? And make a whole group of ladybugs. Did you know a group is called a loveliness? I think Papa Oren's earned a little break. Besides, it's best he's not awake for what she's got planned. Uh-oh,
What?
Pinky doesn't like the look of that.
Come on.
Face paint is best left to professionals. So, you like arts and crafts, huh? Well, every artist needs an easel. Here's an idea. Cover it up with tissue. Plus a few other decorations. This is a special easel. Add some water. And you can see the painting underneath. Look, it's your two favorite people. Art really is where the heart is.